So I'm going to show you how to fix a mistake. You can order from Ampersand Art Supplies a little container of clay that you can fix this, or you can make your own. Here I'm going to show you where if you make a mistake, you can go all the way down to the surface. So here I'm scratching off the clay. It's revealing the hardboard that's underneath. So it's not really thick clay. Okay. So I've taken and sanded down some clay from another board, and then I'm going to mix this with a little bit of water. I just took a little dropper, put some water in it, a couple drops. I'll mix it together, kind of make a paste. Maybe one more drop. So now I've got a good paste going. I don't know if you can see this or not. It's a fairly good paste. Let this dry really good. You can take a hair dryer to it or just let it dry naturally. And you may have to do this lightly again if there's any cracks in the clay. Okay, so we'll let that dry. Here's an area that I did earlier that had a big gouged out area. And I looked at this under a magnifier, and you can see there's some little indentions and cracks. So I would probably fill that in again with some clay. In fact, let's see if I have some extra clay that I can do that. If I wanted it perfectly smooth, then I would fill it in again, just slightly. Just a paste. Then I'll let that dry, and then I just take 400 grit sandpaper. Here's a little area over here that I did earlier. Filled it in, took some marker over top of it, and then scratched it. And I'm just sanding it back off just to show where I filled in. I didn't fill it in really all the way. I got a good portion of it filled in. Then once that's dry, you can sand it, and then you could re-ink it. And then you're ready to start your drawing again.